Hi, my name is Alex Ram and I'm an entrepreneur since 18 years. Right now I'm living the dream, I'm living the laptop lifestyle. I'm in a mission to help people all around the world to have the same opportunities. The reason why I started this is because I had a pretty good business in real estate and a lot of people working for me, but my whole life was crazy, having 300 people working for me, being in an office like 12 hours a day, staying away from my family, having money but not possibilities to go in vacations and to travel. Those were the motives that put me in a position to find another solution. I knew that it can be done. I didn't know how, but I was sure that it's possible to achieve that. So in 2014, I started to look in online economy, and I found a solution in the last 3 years to have my life in my own conditions, to be able to stay home, to enjoy my family and to have the same income level. Right now, this is why I'm in this mission. I know a lot of people out there struggling, working from 9 to 5, plus few hours in traffic, staying away from their families. I want to show you and to introduce you what is possible and how easy it is and fast to change your life and to get in control of your life. In the last 2 years, I work with more than 2,000 people, and I traveled all around the world, people from United States, from Canada, Europe, Asia, you name it, and I have a lot of successful stories, and I'm looking for the next one. My greatest rewards were when I'm receiving messages and testimonials from people telling me how the life is changing, sending me videos or pictures from exotic places, being with their families, and let me know that everything is going well for them. Also, it's pretty nice to see how they progress from the ABC of the online business to, in few months, to discussing about high strategies, what is working in 2018, and so on. It's so awesome to see people transforming their life in just few months. I'm doing this because I care about people. If this is working for me and I have a result and I have proof that it's working for others, that is so rewarding for me, and I keep going to see how much people can I help. I'm a believer and I know that if I have a gift, I need to share with all the rest. In the first 14 days of this year, I made a complete circle of the planet. And I spoke in Houston, I spoke in Singapore, and I spoke in London. So I do my best to help as many people as I can. I know for a lot of people the hardest step is to start. Okay? We wish a lot of things, but we are not making the first step. After you make the first step into entrepreneurial journey, everything else will come along. So I will encourage you, if you have a goal, if you have a why, just go for. If you are looking for an opportunity, digital economy is the right place to be right now. And I will do my best to help you and to help you to be my next successful story.